Where are the best places to locate iron salt aerosolizers? We think on balance it's the tropics and subtropics where the sun is strong all year round. That maximizes the methane depletion for a given ISA emission. We think this probably outweighs the advantage of locating near methane sources because methane concentration in the air only varies by the order of about 30% globally, and most methane sources are land-based. ISA operates for the longest over the ocean, where there is a natural supply of HCl in the sea air. This means siting aerosolizers on windy, remote, tropical islands and perhaps some peninsulas. This is both to minimize cost and also to minimize the impact on land-based ecosystems and human populations. These aerosolizers should always be sited on leeward coasts so the aerosol blows directly out to sea. If funding were ever to become plentiful, then perhaps large areas of tropical ocean where no island exists might be served by floating platforms moored to the top of seamounts.